Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan Blake, and in today's video, I was going through my swipe file earlier, and I found a huge gem here. So this is for my native ads formula. So I'm going to give you this recipe as well. So basically, this is frameworks that I've used for native ads and native ad headlines. It's all curious based, and it's just great. So I've compiled this over multiple years, and I've swiped this from multiple different sources. So I'm going to leave this in the link in the description here below. I really didn't have any commands, but these are basically just frameworks, plug and play. I even give you adjectives and curiosity words at the very end as well. So this is just a huge swipe file of frameworks for native ads. If you have any questions, do me a huge favor, leave some comments down below. And if you want a free 5-day Jarvis.ai Intensified workshop that shows you exactly how to make $100 to $500 extra a month, plus 27 high income skills, go to 1-800-copywriter.com. And I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.